Isoka likamama kaJocelyn uYokin Apholis likhuluma ngomelwalo likhale ngokuthi mhlazane liboshwa lashaywa ngamaphoyisa laze lafakwa umbhobho wesibhamu emlonyeni amaphoyisa ethi akakhulume iqiniso.
I was ordered to lie down flat with my stomach on the back of the bucket. I was assaulted. I was asked, where is Jocelyn? And what have I done with her? I was assaulted while lying flat with my stomach.
Umngani wabo uStevino van Rooyen naye ukhale ngokuthi wahlukunyezwa ngamaphoyisa. Uthi akatshelwanga ngisho amalungelo akhe ngesikhathi eboshwa. Uthi amaphoyisa amdonsa ngesankahlo amvala ubuso ngoshekhasi.
I was not informed of my rights, neither was I told that I am under arrest. Paragraph 64. There were several police officers there and I was told that vandag gaan jy dood. 65. I was handcuffed and hanging in mid-air. A plastic bag was placed over my head while I was hit on my head, legs, feet and hands.
Umama kaJocelyn uchazele enkantolo ukuthi kungani ekuphikile ukuthi waba nesandla ekunyamalaleni kwendodakazi yakhe. Uthi indodakazi yakhe wayibuka ngesikhathi iphuma endlini iyodlala nomngani wayo.
It was probably shortly after 2 o'clock that Jocelyn told me that she can see the school children have come out of school already and that she wants to go play with Kuti, a friend of hers who lives just nearby. The hockeys, they are all very close to each other. Paragraph 32. Jocelyn then walked off and I watched her walk through a small gate to her friend's house or hockey.
Icala lizoqhubeka kusasa.